Yo, what's going on, guys? All right, before we jump into today's video, I got a few new tour dates to announce. We got on 1/22, which is Wednesday, we're going to be at Central Florida Skatepark. Going to just skate, hang out, do a book signing. Then on Friday, we'll be at Kona Skatepark doing a push race, be skating the mini ramp. 7:30 p.m. the documentary screening starts, and then a book signing. And then the day after, I'll be in Tallahassee. We'll be doing a Necessary Skate Co. documentary premiere, and I think they also have a bowl there at the shop. So, yeah, a couple of days here in Florida. If you guys are around, pop in and say what's up. And right now, I'm actually at the Central Florida Skatepark. We got some rain all morning, and I wanted to skate. Even though my knee's hurting, I feel like it'll be fun to just cruise around in there. So, yeah, let's pop in and check it out.
How was Tampa?
It was fun. Yeah, it was cool. It's nice and empty, you know.
Yeah.
Cool. Thanks. Do I need a bracelet or anything?
Huh?
A bracelet or anything like that? Or good?
No, you're drinking.
Got some good comments on that video.
Oh, yeah.
For sure. He's getting screwed.
For 44. I was like, well, listen, I get it. Fine. I'll take the compliment. Now, if you were 34,
Different story. He's still here for 34. You never see that one. You see it dolly all the time. You never switch.
no, that's it. Yeah. I can do it. It's just, I've never done it. Well, I haven't been here in a long time. And then riding switch down this, it's a little adjustment I gotta make. Yeah. So bad.
I like it.
That landing was so bad. But hey.
Grinds are easier though, bro.
So how does the ramp feel?
Nice.
Yeah?
Yeah, good. Slides well. It's me who doesn't feel good. The ramp feels great.
Let's do that then. Teach me a trick.
What do you think? Feeble fakey? You ever done that?
Feeble, fakey, never done it.
Alright. That's the trick.
That sounds really scary.
I think you can do it.
I can't. Well, you gotta tell me how to do it.
Alright, first, just do a feeble slow first. Let's do that. Rock fakey, but just like that. Just miss. Slightly sideways.
Like that. Yeah.
That's perfect. The way you just did it that comfortably, that's basically it. If you confidently come in like that, you'll ride it back. Easy for you. I think you definitely have that.
Well, if I'm gonna fall, I'd rather it be be on a wood ramp, right? When I lock in,
Yeah. Yep.
and then I try to like come out of it,
Yeah.
that wheel's gonna come off, right? It's not gonna, I'm not gonna get stuck. That's my fear.
No, you put all your weight on your back foot and it's gonna force it off. So when you go to manual in, that's what's gonna pull it right off.
This guy can get stuck.
Yeah. Well, if you don't lift it high enough, but if you have enough experience with your rock fakies, you'll roll
I
out.
want you to be honest with me.
Yeah.
I'm putting all my trust in you.
If you lock into it good and stick it, you'll roll away first try. Wow. Just like the rock fakie.
I just want to let everybody know that if something happens to me, it's all Chad Caruso's fault.
I'll take the blame. Wow. That was it. No presence. How'd it feel? How'd it feel?
Felt good. It felt scary trying to like come back in.
Come
That's
off.
the same issue I had with the pivot.
Right.
I can lock it in, but like
Yeah.
it was the coming in.
See, with your truck resting with the Feeble, sometimes it can feel more comfortable, like coming back in. Maybe you're kind of just up there. You know,
Right,
a little
right.
more, yeah.
I was trying to stay inside the ramp so I could just like.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a rock fakie, come back.
You have it. You got it.
That definitely does help because I'm like,
Yeah. Yeah, you get in the rhythm. It's like I'm doing 2 rocks in a row, basically. Wow. You good? You know I'm putting that in. You got it. You good? Alright. So when you're coming back in, you're trying to put one foot down just to feel it out. That's making your shoulders go from like this to like this. So then when you put your weight on the board, you're slipping. So you want to make sure you're leaning back like this. Okay. Powerful. Yo, this song doesn't make you want to do it. I don't know. Come on. Sing it. Oh, man. That's gotta feel so good. Yeah.
Especially because once I would roll the way, I was like, that's it?
Yeah.
I was like freaking out about that. I'm stumped, man. I don't skate transitions ever.
set? Hey, have a good one.
Have a good one, man.
What do you
It
think?
was awesome. Mini ramp is amazing.
That's the best part here.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I'll see you Wednesday.
Take it easy, man.
Congrats on that Feeble. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today. So hyped Tony got that Feeble fakie. It's a decent sized ramp to get it on, like to learn it on. So yeah, that got me so pumped. I'm gonna be back here on Wednesday. So if you guys are around on the 22nd, pop in and come skate some mini ramp. Alright, I'll see you guys then.